Hey, Mike Phillips down here, 3D Garage, sunny Stuart, Florida. This is a 1940 Ford two-door sedan Streetrod. And I'm gonna do this walk around video, just show you how nice it came out. And then I will show you everything I used. This is a beautiful car, by the way. And from the outside, it actually looks like it's restored. But I'll pop the hood and show you that it's not. Okay, and check out this interior. It's actually just incredibly luxurious. Nice, that's like my couch in my house. Look how comfortable that is. Okay, solid too. Hear that door close? Just as solid as it can be. Okay, let's see. Here we go. Check it out. A classic Oldsmobile V8. Everything has been painted, chromed, or polished. It just looks beautiful, and it sounds beautiful, and it drives amazing. Boom. Okay, so let me just kind of walk you through everything I used in case you own a car like this and you'd like to detail, or you'd like to detail any car. Okay, the basics. Started out 3D paint car soap, washed the car. I used yellow degreaser on the beautiful gangster white walls and the wheels. After I washed it and dried it, I went ahead and used Final Touch and a detailing clay towel to remove all the contamination off the paint. Yes, lots of surface texture on there, lots of contamination. What was interesting is this was a single stage paint job. Here's my wool pad, okay. Flex PE14, that's a 7-inch backing plate with the 3D Easy Switch adapter system. I always teach people to clean your pads often. It's so important. For the cutting step, I use the 3D ACA 510. For the polishing, I use the ACA 520. For the polishing, I used the Red Beast inside. This is my personal one given to me by Flex. Let's count the pads. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 polishing pads. I always like to point that out because most people don't use enough pads when they're polishing paint, okay? The Pixie for getting into some of the tight areas. Then after all the paint correction was done, I wiped the car down with 3D wipe. This is a panel wipe to prep the paint for a coating. For those of you that have never installed a coating, this is an extra step that you normally don't do if you're just gonna put a car wax on or a synthetic paint sealant. So you need to get all the oils off. And then this is our brand new Graphene Infused Ceramic Coating Plus. The jar is completely empty. I put 2 layers on the entire car, took up the whole bottle. For the tires, this is a garage kept car. I just went ahead, they wanted a satin sheen. I used the LVP conditioner. And then the next day I wiped the entire car down with Beat It Up. And part of the reason why is because I'm gonna strongly recommend to the owner to buy this by the gallon, buy some fresh clean towels and use that to maintain the finish on this car. Something I teach in all my detailing classes is besides taking and detailing a car, making it look beautiful, it's a good idea to show the owner how to take care of your hard work. By the way, if you're younger, don't know, these are called sergeant stripes. Sergeant stripe taillights. A lot of guys put those on their street rods. Huge roof to detail. I knocked out that first. Here's old school air conditioning. That vent goes up and down. And I used the 3D Beat It Up on all the glass, inside and outside. And I actually machine polished the dash using the Flex PXE 80 and then coated it with Beat It Up. Anyway, owner's coming to get it today. I think he'll like it. It looked good when it got here. It just had a lot of scratches in it. And that contamination just kind of everywhere on it. Anyway, 1940 Ford, detailed with all 3D products. And you can get all these products, including the tools and the pads, at 3dproducts.com.